It begins with raw materials sourced responsibly from regulated facilities. Every piece is inspected before entering the purification stage. Thorough cleaning ensures purity before transformation begins. Controlled dehydration prepares the material for reduction. Precision crushing creates consistent particle size. High-temperature calcination transforms the material. The result is a purified mineral compound. Refination ensures uniform texture. Every batch meets strict standards. Verified material moves to next stage. Controlled logistics ensure material integrity. Temperature-controlled transport preserves quality.
In 500 meters, arrive at factory gate.
Real-time tracking ensures secure delivery. Temperature stable, approaching gate. A facility built for precision production. Every delivery is verified on arrival. Inspection guarantees consistency. Automation reduces contamination risk. Precise ratios begin formulation. Blending begins transformation into final product. An integrated system ensures seamless production. Uniform consistency is critical. Controlled transfer maintains precision. Active ingredients ensure effectiveness. Balanced abrasives provide cleaning power. Flavor completes the formulation. Air removal ensures stability. Controlled transfer preserves quality. Stable storage ensures consistency. Ready for precision packaging. Automation ensures steady flow. Accurate filling guarantees consistency. Sealing preserves freshness. Traceability is essential. Every unit is verified. Efficient packaging begins. Professional finish. Contained to may provide professional finish. Secure stacking for transport. Protection for storage. Organized staging ensures flow. Random testing validates quality. Performance confirmed. Stability ensured. Efficient transfer begins. Smart storage maximizes space. Accurate picking ensures delivery. Prepared for dispatch. Pallets are staged and ready.
Confirmed. All labels match the manifest. Good. Truck's here.
Ready for delivery.
Cleared for loading. Back it up. Keep coming. A little to the right. Good. Stop right there. Perfect alignment.
Final loading begins. Balanced transport ensured. Security guaranteed. Full visibility maintained. From raw material to finished product, precision at every step.